Hi, I'm Rio, a freshman here at Cornell. Getting in had always been my dream, but then I finally did and had no idea where to start. My major was undecided, and everyone else seemed to be friends already, and my resume barely existed. But then I found Bloom. I was prompted to fill out some information about myself, then I was suggested matches with other students based on characteristics and interests that we shared. Today, Bloom has helped me connect with Charles, who is in 4 of my classes, Ariana, a Mexican-American freshman from LA just like me, and John, a junior who has had internships since his freshman summer.
We're Bloom, a peer-to-peer connection and community development platform to help you find your home, grow your professional network, and excel academically. We are here to see you bloom.
Hi, we're Bloom, and we're here to help college students create real-life, meaningful connections. Say goodbye to internet friends. Imagine your freshman year at college. You were probably really excited and anxious about navigating that new environment. If you were like me, and the only student from your high school attending that college, you were definitely wondering how you were going to make friends. Here's a few ways that we currently try to do that. We join student organizations, follow people on social media, go out to campus events, and if we're bold, we'll approach somebody in class and say hi. With these approaches, students might meet the right people for them, but it's based on chance, and we only have 4 years in undergrad. We need to make them count. This highlights the main problem. Students lack the visibility to meet the people that they want. It's hard to meet the right people for you if you don't know who's out there. In talking to over 100 students spanning 35 universities, we also noticed the following trends. Students experience barriers in reaching out to each other, and more than 50% of these students experience imposter syndrome. They feel like they don't belong. Ultimately, it's hard to make new connections. We've forgotten how to socialize. That's where we come in. Bloom is a mobile application that helps college students create meaningful in-person interactions and rewards them for it. Bloom takes into account most of what defines yourself in your college experience. This includes your nationality, hometown, coursework, hobbies, personality, and professional interests, and suggests you connections that share commonalities with you. So why Bloom? We make it so that you don't have to wait to find the right social connections for you. Meet who you want, when you want, with our connection recommendations and manual search function. Create meaningful, real-life interactions with our facilitated in-person connection. We highlight the commonalities that you share with your partner and provide talking points to assist you both in your conversations. Scheduling becomes easy with our calendar integration that can automatically suggest meetup times and locations.
Thank you, Jalil. Now I know what you're thinking. Another social media? How are you guys any different than some of the big names like Bumble or other startups like Squad? Well, Squad connects you with groups of 3 people. We win because we let you search, we connect you based on multiple commonalities, and we don't make you wait to connect with someone. We'll also let you meet with more than 3 people at a time. Meetup allows local, real life meetups for people with similar interests. Bloom wins because we cater specifically to college students. And of course, Bumble allows you to find friends or romance in a Tinder like way. Bloom wins because they make you swipe and we let you search. And we'll recommend accurate connections specifically for you. But undoubtedly, we have 2 key sustainable competitive advantages right now. First, we are the only social platform designed for college students by college students. This means that we'll be able to match you based on similar class schedules, majors, minors, and other college specific characteristics. Additionally, our extensive search functionality is unlike any other social application designed for in person connections. Whether you want to find people that are your nationality, come from the same hometown, have the same race, or anything else, you can do that on Bloom. Or if you want to meet people that are different from you, you can also find people that have different characteristics than you. Thus far with Bloom, we've had over 550 student signups spanning across 45 nationalities, 40 majors, and across 25 plus universities. Currently, we are in our MVP testing process, and because of the challenges that the pandemic has brought us, instead of matching students in person, we're now matching them online via Zoom. One MVP user who was recently matched last week said the following: I can't believe we spoke for over an hour. I'm typically a really shy person, but knowing that my connection was also Jamaican and Trini made it really easy to talk to her. There were so many talking points for us. Now, a bit about our timeline. Since being accepted into the eLab accelerator last year, We've conducted over 100 customer discovery interviews and began matching users virtually via Zoom. This summer, we will be a part of the life-changing lab summer incubator, where we will have 5 software and design interns helping us build the core functionality of our mobile application. This upcoming September, we hope to have a soft launch at Cornell and finally a fully functional and live platform ready by January 2021. This is the wonderful Bloom team. I'm Rami, the CEO. Jalil is our chief designer. Grace is our product designer. And Dr. Vijay Pendekar, the dean of students here at Cornell, is our advisor. Each of us knows what it feels like to struggle to find community on campus, especially as a young college student coming to a new campus, not knowing where to start. That's why we're here to rewrite this path for future college students. Why are we building this now? Well, we've seen firsthand what sort of mental detriment typical social media platforms like Instagram and Snapchat could be, especially to college students and younger generations. Depression and social anxiety all stem from our increased usage of these platforms, and that's why Bloom is changing what social media looks like. Social is not internet, social is in person. We have enough internet friends, and it's time for real life connection. Today, we have 2 simple asks from you. As we reward students for making new connections, we would love introductions to first, local business owners located near college campuses, and second, marketing managers at large corporations responsible for offering rewards to college students. Please reach out to us at the email listed. And remember, college shouldn't feel like a drag. Meet the people that mean the most to you and get ready to bloom. Thank you.